Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see watch history on TikTok. So if you want to see your watch history on TikTok, here's how you can get it done. First thing, you have to open your TikTok account, then you tap on your profile. Then from there you tap on this 3-line button called embargo, then you tap on it. From there, then you tap on settings and privacy, then you scroll down a little bit, then you tap on activity center, then you scroll down a little bit, then from here you can access your watch history. From here you tap on it, then from here you can see the list of your watch history. These are the list of videos that I been watched since November 28th, I guess. And if you want to filter by date, you can just tap on it, and from there you can decide to choose the range of the date, maybe yesterday, last week, last month, or the range of date. Once you do that, you can easily apply to that. So that is how to see your watch history on TikTok. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.